Cardiac or heart surgical procedure refers to surgical treatments carried out by specially educated surgeons to repair loss or problems of the heart that can affect typical functioning of the body. The heart, as we are aware, is one of the most essential organs in the physical body. It acts as a pump and guarantees that there is blood supply in all parts of the physical body. Oxygen, the elixir for life, and other nutrients reach distant physical body parts by the blood. For that reason, the weathering on the heart has a number of effects that in some cases make a cardiac surgical procedure essential. Some individuals are also born with some irregularities of the heart that can be healed only via a surgery. Our way of living in the 21st century has also obtained a whole lot to do with the raising lot of cardiac surgeries that are not being performed. Cigarette smoking, excessive use of liquor, a diet wealthy in filled fat deposits or chemicals, and stress related to a modern way of life play their tasks in affecting this important machinery of the physical body badly. A few of the conditions that call for a heart surgery are: coronary artery condition. Coronary canal illness takes place when the canals that supply blood to the heart muscular tissues comes to be narrowed or set. This again happens when there is an accumulate of cholesterol or other material called cavity-inducing plaque on the inner wall surfaces of the arteries. As the layer obtains thicker and thicker, less blood has the ability to get to the heart stops obtaining its typical supply of oxygen. This has an effect on the efficiency of the heart over time, and the addict may begin to suffer from shortness of breath, fatigue, angina or discomfort in the heart, and at some point even a cardiac arrest. This happens if the blood supply is unexpectedly totally removed to the heart. An emergency situation surgical treatment can usually save the life of a cardiovascular disease person. Heart failure. Cardiac arrest frequently is caused by an individual having coronary artery disease over a long time. The blood provided to heart becomes so very little that the heart cannot pump sufficient blood to the other body. This disorder may have the adhering to indications. The fluid could store into the lungs, there is a collection of liquid into the feet, ankle joints and legs. It's called edema or a continuous shortness of breath accompanied by tiredness. Heart failure usually needs a heart transplant. It's a serious problem and can be exacerbated by diabetic issues and hypertension. Arrhythmia.
Often the heart could actually miss a beat or beat slower faster than regular. Some beats also trumped with an irregular pattern. The existence of some of these disorders is called arrhythmia. If the heartbeat is quicker compared to typical, it's called tachycardia, and slower compared to normal is described as bradycardia. Heartbeat can acquire impacted purchase a heart attack, abnormal hormonal levels, or blood chemical makeup discrepancies. A few of the conditions of this heart disease are lightheadedness, breast pain, lack of breath, pallor, or sweating.